I'm here because while I was gone, my Black Friday, Cyber Monday Health and Wellness box got here. And I also redeemed some points for some free stuff. So I got tons of free stuff. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So you guys can understand like the breadth of why I'm constantly saying this is the best health and wellness company, because I get to do my grocery shopping for the majority of the things from my own health and wellness store. And it gives me opportunities at these amazing discounts, as well as a lot of times when I'm doing my monthly health and wellness box, some points. So some of the things that I got, I am a tea junkie. So did you know that this amazing company has tea? So this is a vanilla lemongrass tea. So this was one of the things that was on sale. Of course, the sale ended. This actually came Sunday. If I would have been in town, not in LA, I could have showed you guys and you guys still could have ordered some of the discount. But this actually comes in a set. I can't remember which one comes with this. If it's lemon that comes with this, maybe. I think maybe lemon. So being that it is a set, since they were discounted. Then this came up on my scan, PD8020. So this has progenolone and DHEA. So this is hormone support for women. Came up on my scan and it was discounted, so I got it. And then, of course, we have some of the best beauty products on the planet. So that's super cool as well. I haven't used our moisturizing Art Beauty Mask in a little while. It's hydrating, calming sheet mask with hyaluronic acid, orchid petal extract, and essential oils. So super excited to put this into my regimen. As you guys know, I was having some skin stuff going on. Calming down a little bit, but still need a little bit of support. I also got our Soothe CBD roll-on. I just love this thing for those that use roll-ons or during this time need a little bit of support, maybe in their chest, or additionally in their T-zone. That's always a good place to do it. This is a good one to have on hand to do that. So happy to get another one of those discounted. And then our Divine Destiny collection. This is actually a protocol. Comes with Daily Divine to help create a space where you can reflect on opening your mind and heart to the changes you are seeking. I am Blessed, which helps create a space where you can expand your awareness and transformation of thought to promote feelings of being worthy and good enough while acknowledging your gifts and talents. I'm Creative to help create a space where you can set in motion the energy of your creativity to facilitate the reality of your destiny. It is the most powerful and inspiring when combined with the first two. So it gives you instructions of how to do it. The first time I did this, I did my first online course in the matter of a weekend, which was insane and crazy. So then I got tons and tons of stuff for free because I redeemed some points and I maximized this box. So one of the things I got for free was our dish soap. So essential oil, no nasty gunk in it, automatic dishwasher powder. And then I got one of our kits that is for digestive support, and that comes with ICP Daily, which is intestinal cleansing powder daily, which is a daily prebiotic plus fiber drink supporting gut health. I take that pretty regularly when I got space for it, so I was out of that, got that. Comfort Tone, this is one that is really good for your digestive system when you are traveling. Herbal formula that promotes healthy digestion. Essential Zymes, peppermint coated bilayer caplets, multi-enzyme blend to help with digestion. And Digize, that is what comes in that supporting digestion kit that I got. And then again, because we maximized the box with what we bought for the Black Friday deals, We have our hand sanitizer. We have our Digest and Cleanse. I'm going to be stocked up on this. This complements the body's natural digestive process. Precision Delivery soft gels. Got some grapefruit bergamot vitality drops for free. And got another Thieves chest rub. This is a cough suppressant. Topical analgesic. How do you say that word? Ointment. Maximum strength. So rub this on your chest. Does all the things during this time. I use those when I'm traveling sometimes if I'm starting to feel something from changing weather or whatever. That's just a good one. Help clear you out so much and so good. So that's what I want to share with you guys. You know, the sale has ended, but these are all good things that I would buy anyway on a regular basis. It was just nice to stock up on, get double of some of them discounted. And then we also have our amazing monthly program that you can subscribe to. Oh, I also got a small hand sanitizer that will get you discounts as well. So just because you missed a sale doesn't mean that you can't get some benefits. And also, if you're not started with us yet, we also have the opportunity at our starter kits, which those are always 50 to 60% off. So you can always start off your health and wellness journey with 50 to 60% off. So as usual, when you come in here, don't forget, hi, wave, hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from. Hashtag replay if you are watching the replay. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know that as well. All right. Thank you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye.